And now what's up? Hey, Getet. Wake up, Getet. What's up?
Oh, shit. What's up, man?
Your ass always sleep, man.
What's up, cuz, man? You see I'm in front of y'all house, man? I had a long night, man.
I'm already gone, bro.
Man, what's up with y'all little niggas, though, man?
You got some love?
Hell yeah, man. Keep on.
Something like that, you feel me?
It's all good, bro. I'm gonna give you one of these CDs, too, bro. Grumpy old man, me and WaxoTaxo, man.
Okay.
Fuck with us, man. Tell the little homies about it and shit, man.
Alright,
y'all fuck with us, alright? Alright, good looking, man. Thanks for waking me up, too, bro. Alright, love.
So we're fucking with this little bitch. What the fuck you want, man? Shit, man, you already know.
Fuck that shit, cuz. Let's get in the studio, cuz. Straight up, cuz.
Alright, man. I'm up now.
No, fuck that shit, man. I'm finna come get you right now, bro. Right now.
Man, you know where the hoes stay at, man.
Alright, man. I'm gonna give you 10 minutes, cuz. I'm on my way.
Alright, bad.
You hear them birds chirping, that mean it's time to go. It's 6 in the morning, yeah, it's time to roll. I'm so dirty, but shine like a kitchen flow. They ask what they hit and flow, they pray, I don't get the vote. It's too late, Lord Joe at the back door. Plugged in his black hole, they gave me 4 rubber bands, bro. That's 4 racks, for those that wanna act slow. They call me Wax, a.k.a. Taxo. I need all mines from nickels to dimes. You got bricks, I know you be lying. You got pounds, well I need 9. My tray 5-7, only hold 5. And I'm cramming, the transaction get out of line. This grumpy old man, he doing fine. But I slump you if you ever cross that line. You hear the birds chirping, time to get to the grind.
What up, boy?
What up?
Shit. Man, it's early than a motherfucker, boy.
Come on, man. Yeah, let's go. What you on? Let's go, man. Come on.
God damn. Smoking good, man. Shit, what's going on with you, man?
Oh, you know, I stay smoking something. Something real good. What's up, my guy?
Where you coming from, man?
Yeah, cuz. How the fuck I fall asleep from the dog?
Again? I told you about it. You gotta quit doing that shit, boy.
What the fuck?
You boys gonna run up on you and take all that shit off you, baby. You gotta quit playing with these little
Man, I
niggas,
ain't
baby.
thinking about these niggas, man.
I know that, man. Shit.
Fuck that shit anyway, cuz,
Yeah.
man. Let's get this shit started, Phil.
Man, I'm grumpy.
Yeah,
Man, ready to hear that
yeah.
shit, man. We're ready to see this video and this movement, man.
You hear them birds chirping, sound like morning, doesn't it? Time to get on something, preferably money. Always up to something, only sunny morning. Mind stay on focus, no hocus pocus.
You hear them birds chirping, sound like morning, doesn't it? Trying to get on something, prefer money hunting. Always up to something, on these sunny mornings. Mind stay focused, no hocus
I
pocus.
woke up from the night before, in the same clothes that I had the night before. Usually, Kush is my cologne, but all I can smell is the liquor on my clothes. Sworn I went home, but I guess my phone was banging. My fiends won't leave me alone. Hit Selby for a fresh white bee, a box of swishers, roll up the sticky weed. I'm doing sticky deeds, getting stupid cheese. I wouldn't ride on you, except you might tell on me. You hear them birds chopping, I hear them people plotting, trying to take me up the river, but that's no option. You hear them birds chirping, sound like morning, doesn't it? Time to get on something, preferably money. Always up to something, only sunny morning. Mind stay on focus, no hocus pocus.
You hear them birds chirping, sound like morning, doesn't it? Trying to get on something, prefer money hunting. Always up to something, on these sunny mornings. Mind stay focused, no hocus pocus.
Hello.
Yeah, man. Man, we did that shit, cuz.
Hey, did we?
Man, cuz, man, they ain't gonna know what hit on my nigga.
Nah, no, they ain't, man.
That's what I'm saying, cuz. Grumpy old man, nigga. Get it in Waxo? Where that come from?
Oh,
You know what I'm saying?
Hey, but look, let me take this other line.
Alright, cuz, I'ma holler at you in the 8.
Alright, bet.
Alright, love, bro.
Yeah.